Kim works full-time and cares for her aging mom. Her days were spent doing housework, helping mom with personal care, making appointments, arranging in-home help, managing medications, running errands, and driving mom to all her medical appointments. Kim was exhausted and overwhelmed, and she worried about how to pay for mom's increasing care needs. Then Kim discovered Unlock PACE, a program of all-inclusive care for the elderly. Unlock PACE meets mom's needs all under one program. With Unlock PACE, she has a care team of professionals. They work together to coordinate and deliver mom's health and care needs. Mom's team includes her doctor, nurse, social worker, physical therapist, occupational therapist, dietitian, dentist, activity therapist, home care coordinator, caregiver, and transportation driver. Mom's team makes sure she has the care, medical supplies, medications, equipment, and social enrichment she needs for overall well-being. Kim met with an Unlock PACE enrollment representative. She learned that the program is both a health plan and a healthcare provider combined. Mom qualifies because of her age and she lives in the service area. She needs help with mobility, transfers, and personal care. Mom can live safely in the community, such as her own home, and she agrees to receive her health and personal care from Unlock PACE. Best of all, Unlock PACE covers all Medicare and Medi-Cal services, plus more. And there are no deductibles, co-payments, or co-insurance for any care and services approved by the care team. Now, Kim can relax and enjoy her time with mom. The Unlock PACE care team handles all the details. Is Unlock PACE right for your family? Find out.
And it's time for our funformational segment right here on the Pam Pam Show. Bandajan, aap sun rahe hain Radio Day Hotties, and right now we are going to be bringing on an expert from the Unlock PACE program who is going to talk to us a little bit about the wonderful services that they have for so many of our Bandhujan. And of course, let's go on and bring on Khushi Saini ji.
Hi Khushi, how are you doing? Welcome.
I'm doing great. How are you guys doing?
Wonderful, thank you so much. In fact, आप लोगों हमारे बंधु लोग सुन रहे हैं ना, actually पिछले segments में हमने काफी सारे health के बारे में बात की थी. We spoke to professionals like mental health professionals. We spoke to even the people who are the what do you call dietitian, nutrition specialists and all who actually work with the patients directly at Unlock PACE. And today we have Khushi back with us. Khushi Saini, welcome. Good to have you back on the show today, Khushi.
Thank you so much for having me again, guys.
थैंक यू एंड आई एम श्योर खुशी जी आपको काफ़ी सारे कॉल्स आ रहे हैं हमारे बंधु से कि ये कैसे एनरोल करना है व्हाट वी नीड टू डू बिकॉज वी हैव बिन फील्डिंग सम कॉल्स फ्रॉम सम ऑफ आवर बंधुस अबाउट वो नंबर क्या था तो मैं एक बार वो नंबर देती हूँ फॉर एवरीबडीज बेनिफिट इट्स 1-855-308-0195. This is your go-to number, Bandajan. Please remember, 1-855-308-0195 is the number to call. You could actually even reach probably Khushi ji, who will probably be the person who can answer your questions and with regard to the care of your elderly senior parent or grandparent, uncle, aunt, or या आप खुद 55 years of age के हैं and you qualify for this program, आप भी call कर सकते हो on 1-855-308-0195.
तो खुशी जी, I had a question for you. इतने सारे लोगों से बात करके हमें तो एक चीज पता लगा कि Unlock PACE is a different kind of a model. It's a HMO model बोलते हैं ना. So can you talk a little more as to how is this full service senior health program? इसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए, please.
So Healthcare Management Organization, that's what it stands for, right? HMO. I like to call it a one-stop shop, right? Where all their medical needs will meet under one roof. And, it's amazing how somebody can enroll in our program and get all the services under one roof. And, it's a full-fledged medical program. We cover all medical care, dental, vision, hearing, transportation, home care, and we even deliver meals.
Nice, wonderful.
Wow.
So it's like a whole wraparound kind of a thing for all kinds of medical services.
Right.
Yes.
So is it like, when you say one particular place, so they come, you send transportation to bring them to your facility and they get all these different services, or is it on an as need basis when they require to go to a particular appointment, like a dentist appointment hai, so your group goes out, your transportation team sends somebody out to go pick them up and drive them to their appointment? Is that the way it works?
Yes, that's a really good question. So once somebody enrolled in our program, we will become their primary medical care provider.
Okay.
We will start making their appointments. We kind of work in collaboration with family. We are like a second set of, their family for seniors. So when I say we work in collaboration with family, if family is not able to take them to their medical appointments, we will, pick them up and take them to their dental appointments, any medical related appointments, and we'll drop them back home.
Wonderful. So you talked about enrolling. So how does one enroll to Onlock? Because we know that there's a phone number they can call here, right? So is there a process apart from that? They call the phone line, and then what happens? Do you actually have a questionnaire? क्या चलता है वहाँ पे?
So yeah, people will call. I am one of the enrollment reps at Onlock. We have other reps who speak, a different language. If somebody is Spanish speaking and they need to enroll, or Chinese language. So I work with very closely with the Indian community. So the enrollment process takes anywhere between 3 to 5 weeks, depending on the availability of family and our team members. So the process would be like, I will set up an appointment with them, fill out the application and see if they qualify. If they qualify, fill out the application, move on to the next step. Next step would be, bringing home a nurse to see, if they qualify, and then they will meet. In the process, they will meet with our team. When I say the team, they're going to meet with our primary care physician, physical, occupational, and recreational therapist, along with the social worker. So the reason why they need to see our team is so we can come up with a care plan for them, because it's a health management organization, and everybody has different care needs. Someone might need caregivers at home, and versus somebody else needs transportation more than caregivers. So every individual is different. So we have the process in place to see what their needs are.
I'm just curious, Khushiji, you talked about recreational therapist, and you also talked about caregivers at home. Now, is this for seniors who have a medical needs, or is it just, like how they have regular caregivers if they're living by themselves, or if they don't have, their natural circle of support? Is that what you're talking about?
So even if they are living with the family, so our goal at Onlock is to keep the senior in their own homes, kind of like saving them going to a nursing home. Because we are really busy, and parents are like, sometimes we neglect their medical appointments. We are in busy scheduled with work and our kids and our own, family.
Correct.
So our goal is to, keep them in their own homes for as long as possible. And caregiver, so even if they're living with their own family and the family might not have time to give them shower, there might be a senior who needs to take shower, but they're not able to do it themselves, and family has to do it. But then if they enroll in Onlock, we can send a caregiver to do the light cleaning of their bedroom and bathroom, give them shower, cut their toenails, grooming, that kind of stuff. So it's not like that they have to live alone for us to send caregivers. It's part of our program. It's one of the services that we provide, even if they live with their family.
You know what I liked about this program? I really want to appreciate this thing, the way you guys have planned it. It's very personalized. It's like, Khushiji, correct me if I'm wrong. So basically, you actually personalize based on the individual's needs, right? And the assessment actually does that, right? Assessment process, you talked about send a nurse to the house to assess what's happening, situation, need, and everything, right? So quickly, I want to ask you, how long does the process take? So let's say somebody picks up the phone and calls you guys, and generally the need is pretty much immediate many times, right? So how long does it take? Is it a long drawn process, or is there a set time it takes for them to get assessment, everything done, and start the program?
It actually takes 3 to 5 weeks. Sometimes, in some cases, if we have a wait list, it might take a month or two.
Okay.
But then generally, it'll take 3 to 5 weeks, because in the process, we are going to get their medical records, because we need to know what has happened in the past, their medical history, and then again, I need to get them a nurse who would, meet with them and see, what their needs are and what their past medical history is. And then after the nurse meeting, they're going to meet with our team. And then team will the physician will ask medical related question. A physical therapist will ask wherever they have, physical pains in their, body. And so that way we can find out. And then, we also have social workers. Every senior will be assigned with the social worker. That would be like the main primary contact person at Onlock for family and for the senior.
Yeah, in fact, we actually spoke to one of the social workers as well. But I want to backtrack a little bit right now. So the assessment is fine, but how about the process? So how does one know that they get qualified? Because you said that there's going to be a qualification, whether the person qualifies or not. How long will that process of qualification, or what do you call the approval, take? Is that a application approval process? Which
Yes. So yeah, So after they speak to me, I will find out if they qualify. Even if they don't qualify, they want to move forward, I will fill out the application. They have to be 55 and over.
Okay.
That's one of the qualifications. And they need to live in our service area. And our service areas are Santa Clara County, San Francisco County, and Tri-City in Alameda County. Tri-City would be Fremont, Union City, and Newark.
nice.
And then as long as they're in, those areas, they will qualify 55 and over. If they have Medicare, we take both the cards. And then also they need to have few medical conditions to qualify because it is a, medical program.
Okay.
So as long as they meet all these criterias, they will qualify, and I'll move forward with the application. And then, as I said, after application, they're going to meet with the nurse and then rest of the team. And in the whole process, we are going to send their, get their medical records and also get to know them. And we'll send their case to the state because we are state-funded program. And then, generally, it takes maybe sometimes state gets, send us the approval or disapproval within, 1 week,
Nice.
3 days or sometimes 1 week.
Okay.
And so that's why it takes 3 to 5 weeks, depending on family and team members' availability and state approval. So everything takes time, right?
Wonderful. In fact, Vanajan, if you're listening to right now, we are in conversation with Khushi Saini, who actually is one of the persons who would be talking to you when you call that number, which is listed up here.
Yes, 1-855-308-0195. Again, 1-855-308-0195
I was
is the
seeing you
number.
paying attention.
Oh, yeah, right.
Yeah.
So that is the number for you to call to talk to Khushi ji or any one of her able associates at Onlock Pace, Vanajan. Super program hai. Actually, I would think that, it's something that every one of us who has an aging parent or an aging relative in our family should actually be talking about this and getting the message out to them. And at the same time, if you are 55 or older, जो हमारे प्रोग्राम सुनते हैं, चिंता ना करें, बस फ़ोन उठा के पूछें. जैसे हमें मालूम है मोहम्मद मर्चेंट साहब, आप इतनी बार कॉल करते हो और हमें बताते हो कि अच्छा मेरे लिए भी चलेगा क्या, मैं भी कर सकता हूँ क्या. तो आप कॉल करके पूछिए खुशी सैनी जी से. 1-855-308-0195.
I also want to tell our bandhus right now, we're actually getting a lot of experts from, Onlock Pace program coming on air and talking to us. And if at all you have any questions regarding these programs, and if you want to know more information, like, we had a mental health specialist who came on, we had nutrition coming on. If you have any specific questions about that, feel free to send us a message right here on Facebook. You know our Facebook ID, right? And also you can also send us an email as well if you wanted, and call and ask questions for them directly. The 1-855-308-0195. And we must come to a close of the segment right now. I just want to say thank you, Khushi ji, for taking the time and talking to us. It really is very informative. Whenever I talk to one of your associates, I learn a lot about the program.
Right.
And I just feel what a wonderful thing it is. And I feel a sense of gratitude that somebody is there to take care of our seniors. That's wonderful, actually.
Absolutely. And as we grow older too, hopefully the Onlock Pace program will be going on.
Yeah.
And
It's
yeah.
funny, I say the same thing.
Yeah.
I'll join.
Yeah,
Yes.
absolutely. So thank you so much for joining us. We look forward to talking to you sometime in the near future. Thank you, Khushi ji.
Thank you so much for having me once again.
Thank you. Again, Vanajan, that's 1-855-308-0195. Onlock Pace is the program. You can get more information about it by calling 1-855-308-0195.